All right, I have a new bug for the Adobe Premiere Pro version 13.0 for Premiere Pro CC that just came out today on October 15th, 2018. You can see it listed here, version 13. So I had a nested sequence here. It had audio and video together. You can see they have the same name. And then I brought in a separate copy of the audio that was a bit processed or whatever. Actually, no. I had two different sets of audio. So that one goes to that clip because the camera cut off for a second. And then this first audio goes to this clip. And I have muted the bottom one. Now I have unlinked these two tracks. I can relink them. There's still that issue. So something is wrong here with... This would actually make sense. So what I did was I unlinked these two tracks and then I moved the camera file over 3 frames. And you can see that by the +3 there. And so when I made the marker, on the clip, it made the marker in the same time-coded spot on the audio and the video. So the video frame is moved off, or the marker is moved up by 3 frames. Now, for whatever reason, it's still making a marker on this file too, even though that wasn't selected at all. And then, so if I undo that, and then if I unlink the files, hit marker just on the video, this used to be totally fine. Where'd it go? I just hit M. It is all the way over here, even though the playhead's not anywhere near there. If I hit it again, I think it just added it to the same spot. Yeah, if I undo, if I come over here, okay, select nothing, select the adjustment layer, M. Puts the marker right there. Select the video track, M. Puts it way over here. And puts it on the audio file, even though they're unlinked and it's not selected. And puts it on this audio file, even though it's not selected at all. And theoretically has nothing to do with this clip. Come over here. Unlink these. Hit marker. No marker on the video track. Looks like it put it way down here on both this video and this audio track. Or either it's that one on just that audio track. I don't understand what's going on. Very bizarre bug.